Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. So you stopped on this video because you're tired of paying almost $6 or $7 a cartridge for your clean and renew for your Braun system. And these are really important to keep your razor fresh, clean, and running properly and all that kind of stuff. But I was getting tired of spending so much money. So how do you refill them on your own? For very little. I mean, it's just amazing. So I'll do a quick cutaway here. I'm going to show you right now what Amazon is selling these for, because that's where I bought my cartridges for. And here's a quick cutaway. And these are the Braun cartridges. This is a set of 10 that you're seeing right now on your screen. So it's $58.60 currently right now to buy these cartridges. That's basically each one of these cartridges hold approximately, it says 5.7 ounces. That's what it says right here on the packaging. So 5.7 ounces, that's $5.86 each one of these. So every time you buy one of these, it costs you $5.86. So that's okay if you don't mind, but honestly, you can refill these yourself for as little as 70 cents. You heard me right. 70 cents. That's a huge savings. That's like a 90% savings. That is amazing. So it's really easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to do just doing a quick video here. I'm just going to show you how that works. So this is the cutaway for that. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use in a second. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very, really simple to do. So let's go back to the screen here. So here we have, like I told you, this is $5.86 for this one cartridge. Now, when you're done with this, most people throw these away. So you don't have to throw these away. You can actually repurpose these. They use denatured alcohol. So denatured alcohol you really can't buy. That's one thing. I would use isopropyl alcohol, and I'll show you the one I use in a minute. The reason why they use denatured alcohol is the highest alcohol content with the most evaporation and the best cleaning. Now you can use Everclear alcohol. That's a little more expensive. You can use distilled alcohol if you have a distillery, whatever you want to do, but you can use any kind of grain alcohol to do the exact same thing. But the isopropyl is the cheapest because they make it in bulk, and it's the cheapest you can buy out there. Now I buy mine at Walmart. That's where I buy mine. So let me just show you what I use real quick. I use this right here. I use the Quate, which is the Walmart brand. I use the 91%. There's two different ones you can get. I think it's 86 or 91. Get the highest one. It's a few cents more. It's worth it. It's a better alcohol. It's got the most evaporation and the best cleaning properties and disinfectant as well. So you get multiple things here. So definitely get the 91% and 32 ounces. That's the best value. You can get this for 16 ounces, but also 32 ounces is your best deal. Now, what you have to do is really simple. You take your old cartridge when it's empty. Get that in focus here. Now this is empty. It's got a little bit of hair particles in it because it was sitting around for a while. You basically run some hot water through here, and you basically close it up, and you just shake it. You constantly just keep shaking it, and it breaks up all the hair particles on the bottom here. Will all fall out. And you just keep rinsing it out over and over and over. Now some people use distilled water. I don't think you really have to. I think you let it air out, let it dry out. That's fine. And I'm just gonna pour pure alcohol in here, approximately 5 to 5.7 ounces roughly. It doesn't have to be exact, as long as you fill it up pretty much as close as you can. Now the cost for this, okay, now I'm going to break down the cost for you for this. This alcohol here, the 91% alcohol, is $3.98 for the bottle. Okay, there's 32 ounces in here. That's 12.4 cents an ounce. Times, you do that 5.7 ounces, this costs you approximately 70 cents to fill this versus almost $6 for this one. Now, if you want to save 90%, I think you do it yourself. It's kind of a cool project. You learn how to do something different. And honestly, I think it's a really good way of doing it. So it costs you to buy 10 of these on Amazon, almost $60. To make them yourself is $7. Now that is huge. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care if you have tons of money or you're counting your pennies. It's good to save money and help the environment because you throw these in the trash. And that's one thing I really don't like. So if you can repurpose these 2 or 3 or 4 times and have to buy a new set, that's okay with me if you have to, but at least try. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to fill this up. That's a huge savings. That is amazing. That's 70 cents a cartridge versus $6. That is absolutely phenomenal. So definitely go ahead and get this. And all you have to do is basically just, once this is aired out and dried, all you have to do is fill this up with the alcohol and you're good to go. It's really that simple. So let's just open this up here. As you can see, I open up the cap, and you just want to pour it into, it's almost filled up to the line, and just pour it in really easy. It's not rocket science. It'll evaporate if it spills a little bit. Not a big deal. And I just filling it up, and just take your time and fill it up to where you feel is, like, I would say is close to 3/4 full. I just keep filling this up a little bit more, a little bit more. And you can see here, when they get done looking at it, you're going to see, because the blue tint inside of this cartridge, it makes it look exactly the same, which is kind of scary, actually. So I'm just going to fill it up to pretty much kind of eyeballing the other one. And I would think right about here is a roughly 5.7 ounces. Let's close that up. Now, that is, you can see here, it's all full, right? Looks good. Now, we're going to put the old cap on. We're going to put the cap, save these caps. That's really important as well. And just snap that on. And now you are ready to go to use this one when you are ready for your next application for your alcohol. It's that simple, guys. Really, really easy to do. Save yourself a ton of money. It works fantastic. I absolutely love this project. I mean, anytime you can save money, it's a good deal to me. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. I really appreciate your time as always. Save money, watch the video, learn, subscribe to the channel, and I'll teach you a little bit about everything, how to save money, and that's what it's all about. Appreciate your time as always. Hit that subscribe and like button. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you at the next video.